Hello students, welcome to our chemistry class. So today we will discuss about what are the difference between soap and detergent, and we will also see that how they react with hard water. Okay, so before that we should know some basic difference between soap and detergent, right? So what is the soap exactly? Soap is a sodium salt of long chain fatty acid, whereas detergent is formed by salt of sulfonic acid. Okay, so the ionic part in soap is COO Na+, whereas in case of detergent it is SO3 minus Na+. Okay, so how does they form? Soap is prepared from animal fats and vegetable oil. Okay, whereas detergent is prepared from hydrocarbon of crude oil. Soap is biodegradable, whereas some detergent are non-biodegradable. So let's have a comparative experiment between action of soap and detergent on hard water. So for this experiment we need some apparatus like some test tube, a test tube stand, a measuring cylinder and a beaker. And we need soap solution, detergent, and to prepare hard water here we will use calcium chloride. Okay, so to prepare hard water, first of all we will measure 10 ml of distilled water. This distilled water we will take in a test tube, and to that test tube we will add a pinch of calcium chloride. Okay, with the help of a spatula we will take a pinch of calcium chloride to prepare hard water. Okay, now we will shake it well and we will prepare our hard water for the experiment. Okay, now our hard water has been prepared. Now the next step is that we will level two test tube as test tube A and test tube B. In both of the test tube we will take 5 ml of hard water. Okay, so let's measure 5 ml of hard water. This is our hard water which we have prepared here earlier. Okay, now we will measure 5 ml of hard water. In test tube A and B, we will take 5 ml of hard water. Okay. Now, what will be our next step? That in test tube A, we will use soap solution, and in test tube B, we will add few drops of detergent solution. So, let's add few drops of soap solution to test tube A, and to test tube B, we will add few drops of detergent solution. Okay, now we will shake both the test tube A and B for 2 minutes. So after shaking both the solution for equal timing, that is 2 minutes about, now we can compare both the solution. In test tube A, in which we have taken soap solution, here you can observe that there is a less amount of lather has been formed, whereas in case of B, in which we have used detergent, here a large amount of lather has been formed over here. Okay, another difference you can see that a white colored compound has been formed in case of soap solution, whereas in detergent there is a clean solution has been formed. What is the reason behind it? The reason is that the ionic part present in soap, they react with the calcium present in our hard water and they form the insoluble compound which is called scum, whereas in case of detergent the ionic compound, they doesn't react with the calcium part and it doesn't form any insoluble compound. This is the reason why the effectiveness in case of detergent, that is even in case of hard water, that is effective, but in case of soap the effectiveness is reduced in case of hard water, which result a poor foaming capacity in soap solution. Okay, so here in this experiment we conclude that the soap solution has less effectiveness in case of hard water, whereas in hard water also detergent act as a good surfactant or a good surface active agent. That is the reason why we use detergent to clean our clothes. Okay, so I hope all of you have got a clear difference between action of soap and detergent on hard water. Thank you for watching this video.